Tonight, we're hearing from a 7-year-old girl who had her lemonade stand robbed. And as CTV's Stacey Hine tells us, neighbors are stepping up to turn something sour sweet.
It was a sour situation for 7-year-old Maddy. Police say 2 teenage boys robbed her lemonade stand on Monday.
I thought that they weren't very good and I should just stay calm.
Maddy has been selling lemonade in the community for weeks and recently saved up enough money to buy her own lemonade stand.
She's always out here selling lemonade any chance I let her. She loves the people, she loves the interaction, she likes to make her own money.
Her mother, Jade Flota, says Maddy has a rare medical condition known as vascular association and has gone through many surgeries. The mother-daughter duo wrote a book to help other sick kids, which Maddy also sells at her stand. Flota says being a businesswoman is Maddy's passion, but she's not allowed to sell lemonade in her yard anymore because 2 boys put her safety at risk.
I think the part that kind of shocked me was that they didn't care that I was there and shooing them away.
She says the boys stole lemonade, money, and candy.
I didn't know what they were going to do. And then later to find out that they were armed, with a knife, I'm just sick to my stomach.
14 and 16-year-old boys were arrested shortly after fleeing the scene. The 14-year-old had a knife and was charged with carrying a concealed weapon and breaching a court order. The 16-year-old was arrested on outstanding warrants.
Hi, would you like some lemonade? Yes, please.
Maddy has garnered a lot of community support, with her GoFundMe page raising over $2,000.
I really wanted to show Maddy that there are still kind, generous people in this world.
Flota says she's thankful for local businesses offering Maddy a safe place to sell lemonade.
Thank you.
Because when life gives Maddy lemons, she makes lemonade. Stacey Hine, CTV News, Saskatoon.